Hello. In this lecture, we explain about shape something. Okay. Let's define a condition if close is higher than off. Okay. It's give us bullish candles or green candles. Okay. We write this with three things: with label, with plot shape, and with plot arrow. Okay. And plot chart. Okay, we mark this with we mark it with this. First with label. If my can label dot new bar index and high. Okay, and we add it to chart. As you see, in green candles we have this label. Okay, and here we can say max labels count. Say we can arrange it to maximum, as you see, to 500. Okay, this is with label. Okay, now I write it with plot shape. With plot shape, it asks us seriously. I think my count. Okay, if my count is correct, on high. Okay, draw on high, otherwise nah. And title only location dot above bar. Okay, and let's save it and see. As you see, on top of every candle we have this. Okay, we can change the size. There are a lot of styles. For example, shape plot shape dot, for example, square. Okay, like this noise square. And one thing, if we want to shift back one candle, okay, if we want to go, for example, to previous candle, we shift back all of these plot shapes to one candle. We can use offset. Okay, and as I shift back to one candle. Okay, this is a plot shape. Next is plot chart. Plot chart, we open this to show you this. For example, here is a good example. Okay, for example, if my count, okay, for example, if my count is correct, char equal to, for example, this. Okay, it's with characters, as you see here. Okay, you can use a lot of characters. Here I don't know, can I copy this? No, but you can use some emoji and other thing. Okay, so here I write P. So as you see, wrote. Okay, this is plot chart, and last is plot arrow. Plot arrow is a wonderful thing. We have my count, and here instead this I write here close minus open. So if close minus is positive, positive, so it draw, otherwise it draw for negative. This I tell you how. Here we have color up, we have a color up dot color dot green, and have also color done, so have a color dot red. Okay, save it. As you see, when our colors is positive, we have color up. Okay, color that. If negative, we have red. Okay, red arrows. If we want to don't it plot red, just green we need, just for green candles we need, we can set color down to now. Okay, so just it show for green candles. Okay.